I hope you're having a good day. This is Brandon Campbell, and if you're new to my channel, thanks for stopping by. Like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to be notified when I drop new content. And with that being said, we're going to jump right into today's video is how to secure your financial freedom. How to secure your financial future. In today's video, this is going to be quite different than what a lot of you are probably hearing or have heard in the past. You know, with traditional wisdom, hey, you know, you want to protect your financial future, invest in a 401k, buy this stock, that stock, you know, buy this course or that course. I'm here to tell you those things are long gone and do not work. Now, I'm not saying that you can't buy a course and learn a great deal of stuff, because when you're constantly investing in yourself, that's something that you will do, is buy courses, attend seminars and stuff like that. But in order to secure your financial future, you must first set up an LLC or a holding company. And why, you might ask, should we do that? Number one, because the days and times that we're living in, due to the last couple of years, what we've been going through in this country, a lot of people at the beginning of next year are going to be laid off. And, you know, if you get laid off of work, you don't have money to pay your bills, and you don't have money to pay these bills collectors. A lot of them will sue you. And depending on the type of attorneys they have or how serious they are about suing you, you will be at fault, and you will personally be liable to pay these people back. And if they want, they could also attack your personal finance, such as bank accounts, 401k plans, stocks, anything that you have in your name. When somebody goes to sue you, they can automatically have their attorney to seize your stuff or put a freeze on your stuff until they recoup all the monies that they're asking for in the lawsuit. This is why I say this is how, on this channel, we teach you how to protect yourself, how to stay protected, and how to keep assets and create generational wealth. Now that we got that out the way, one thing's for certain that a lot of people don't understand about how having a land trust, a LLC, or stuff in your business name protects you from being sued. Is because, for one, it is in your company's name. It is not in yours. Anytime you do business, this including with, if you're a young guy out there and you know you might have made some mistakes in life, you might have 1 or 2 kids, and now later on in life you start to do a little better, and your children's mama might get jealous and want to sue you. Well, hey, guess what? If you ordered by the court to pay $500 a month just because you make an extra $3,000 in your business, and it's in your business and not in your personal name, that's money that can't be touched. That's one way to protect yourself. Number two, as long as you have your assets under your company's name, no one, especially your home, your cars, everything that you choose to do, you should move away from being a person to being a business and doing business with more people, just for the sake of protection. You know, you can also switch your 401ks, your IRAs. For those of you that just love them 401ks, me, I don't like them. They say they earn about 10% annually, but when you subtract the fees, it's more like 4%. And heck, it's some bank accounts that pay a little bit better than that. But back to protecting yourself as well as your future. When you do these things, and you know, maybe you have to hire you an attorney, hey, leave a comment below and we can talk more about these things. Hey, I might can help you, but you want to stay protected. And I know there's a lot of people out there. You got Dave Ramsey, Susie Orman, and a couple of hosts of other folks to tell you before you start a business, you need to first get out of debt. Well, I'm here to tell you that's wrong. Because if you're working, because a lot of people do get a second job to be able to pay off their debts, well, that money that you putting towards that debt could be money that you could use and put a small percentage of it towards paying off some of your debt. Why? Because at the end of the day, you will be doing all this work, hard work, and sometimes easy work, but it's hard working for anybody, 2 jobs, and then using all your money to pay bill collectors and leave you with nothing at the end of the day. That's why I come on this channel. We talk a little differently about things and, these investments. Right now, if you're at a standstill or you've been laid off your job, like these 10,000 folks that's been let go of Facebook, Twitter, just to name a few companies. And now, in order to live, if you don't, because we all know that, 75% of Americans make less than $37,000 a year, which would only mean, if you're in this category, that you don't have no money saved up and that you gotta make a way. Well, the only way that you're gonna have to make a way between now and the time that you make another paycheck is to tap into your 401k. And if you're going to tap into your 401k, why not use some of that money to start you a part-time business? Because I know a lot of you out there that's got talent and inspiration and skills that you could bring to the market and, be up and running with a little less 30 days. But I know a lot of people don't want to take the chance, and hey, you might want to invest in something. So therefore, you're going to still need to set up or structure a way for you to protect yourself against, market volatility, against people trying to sue you and things of that nature. So, excuse me for looking down, but that is the way that you protect your financial future. Like my mentor said, which is probably gonna watch this video later on, protecting your business or investments, in this case, starts before you start a business or investing. Because at the end of the day, when somebody holds you personally liable and be able to gain access to what little bit you owe and you have to start back over, it will be a rough ride. Trust me, I've been on the ride before. Start back over. I done been sued. I done been audited by the IRS. And it take a long time to get back to where you could do anything. You won't be able to do anything. So, with that being said, that's the reason you want to protect your financial future. Get yourself set up with, if you own land trust. If you want to start a company, an LLC, because that is the only way that you're going to financially get ahead in these next 3 to 5 years and be able to come out on top. There's tons of companies are laying off, cutting back. Automation is coming in full effect. And starting in 2023, don't get left behind. Hey, if you like the video, share, subscribe. I'd like to thank everybody that has subscribed to my channel. We done reached 1,000, and thank every one of you for subscribing to my channel. Hey, if you like the content, share it. If you got any questions, post a comment. I'm willing to answer any and every question, as I do check them personally. Have a great day.